Today we are going to taste test a freeze-dried snack that we made in our own freeze dryer using frozen fruit, because frozen fruit is way cheaper from the store and it's super easy because it's already pre-frozen, which means you can just throw it onto the tray, throw it into the freeze dryer, very little preparation. And today the one we're going to try is this one. Do you know what this one is? What is it?
Kiwi.
A kiwi. So these are very crunchy, but easy to eat. Now, usually I'm not a huge fan of kiwi, but so I'm not sure. I'm trying to remember what it usually tastes like, but I think this is a lot stronger, a lot sweeter, and maybe a little tartar. What do you think of it, Trevlin?
Yummy.
Yummy.
There's some seeds though.
It's pretty good. All right, so what Trevlin was saying is he wanted to try the classic combination of a strawberry with kiwi. You eat them like a little sandwich. Ooh. So if you watch any of these other videos with these freeze-dried fruit, you'll get the idea pretty quick that the kids love them. The kids absolutely love them. I'm surprised how much. They think they're pretty great. You'll notice too that we have them in jars here. And that's because we're not planning on keeping this fruit for 25 years. It doesn't need to be in a Mylar bag with an oxygen absorber. We would make it, throw it on the counter, probably in a jar like this, and then it's just easy to grab and go. It won't last as long, but that's okay because we plan on eating it much faster. It's not long-term storage. If you wanted to, you could put an oxygen absorber in a can like this and put it in a dark room, and it would last a long time that way.
This one too.
All right, here we go. We're going to try that one in a minute, yeah?
Let's do it with this. Daddy and sibling.
That is a pretty good combination. Okay, Trevlin. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Were those kiwis good or bad? Would you like to eat them again? 1, 2, 3. You think they were a thumbs up?
Mm-hmm.
We haven't had a thumbs down yet. Well, that's okay. All right. So, if you would like to see something less sweet, maybe you're interested in some more savory type of snacks, we have heard that vegetables are a great alternative to potato chips. You still get, because they're freeze-dried, incredible nutrition value because hardly any nutrition leaves the vegetable when you freeze-dry it. So these would actually be a very healthy snack. So we are going to try these next. Where will the freeze-dried carrot video be?
Right this way.
Right this way, right there.